spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like it's the scene of a crime.
Good morning, everybody. Today I'm filming a what I eat in the day video. I've gotten a lot of requests to film this and I've never done one of these. I just made my morning smoothie. I'm really on quite the smoothie kick lately. I get like obsessed with certain breakfasts and then I have them for a while, then I switch it up. Oh, gotta get every last bit. I usually do some combination of like a strawberry, banana, or raspberry smoothie with vanilla yogurt and orange juice. The other day I did a combination of strawberry, banana, peanut butter, and almond milk, which was really good. Now, sometimes this turns into a bowl instead of a smoothie just because it gets thicker. I usually like freeze my berries and I'll compare the cost of like buying frozen berries versus if any of the berries are on sale, then I can just cut them up myself and freeze them. So sometimes I do that. If it does turn into a bowl, I love this toasted coconut granola from Trader Joe's. I'm just gonna top my smoothie with like a little bit of granola just for look purposes, even though this is not a smoothie bowl, but I like this granola a lot. If you guys don't like these videos or they make you compare your eating to other people, then just don't watch it. I'm not a nutritionist. I just eat what I like to eat or whatever makes me feel good. All right, here is our breakfast of the day. We have Whole Foods banana bread. That stuff is amazing. A little cutie on the side, and then my delicious smoothie and toasted coconut granola. This is a typical kind of breakfast in my life. I used to hate breakfast and not eat it, which is terrible. This camera does not like this tripod. But now that I like finally found some things that I actually enjoy, I will have breakfast. This is my more like I have time to make breakfast. I'm gonna go try to play tennis with my friend today, but it's supposed to rain. Fingers crossed it's not raining because I haven't played tennis in months and we both really want to play. And I will talk to you guys as the day progresses. It is also sponsored by Green Chef. I'm really excited to be working with them on this video. I've been a long time fan of food subscription services because they literally taught me how to cook. I'll show you guys what we're gonna have for dinner. I'm also gonna be showing you guys one of my favorite meals for lunch and how I make my Buddha bowls. Let's try the smoothie. Really good today.
For someone else to say I can live my life.
I'm getting vibes that our tennis date is not gonna happen because the parking area is like kind of closed off. Let's go for a little walk. Luckily we know many tennis courts in the area, so hopefully we can find some that are open. It's not raining yet, but the clouds are definitely giving me vibes of rain. The door is open. All right, we're doing it.
I could stand on top of a mountain shouting out your name. I could stand beside you playing my part in your fame.
It's starting to sprinkle. Miranda and I are gonna get wet. We are so dedicated to tennis and it's not even Tuesday.
I could reach the sun if you want me to. 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 Thought I was a quitter when everybody said I was done. Thought I heard your name, but you never even picked up the phone. I've been high on every cloud with you.
I am back from tennis and I'm about to make lunch. I'm basically going to make a Buddha bowl right now. These are the base ingredients that I'm using. I love this couscous. It's ready in 5 minutes, which is awesome. I have my garbanzo beans, which I'm going to season with the chili lime and some cumin, but you can really season them with whatever you have. My English cucumber that I'm going to chop into chunks, some cherry tomatoes, and then this is the secret, the tzatziki sauce and balsamic hummus. If you guys go to Trader Joe's, you need to get the tabbouleh hummus because it's way better, but this is going to work for what we have. And then whatever other ingredients you just want to like throw in together, if you have an avocado, things like that. So delicious. So I'm gonna whip together this Buddha bowl. I season my garbanzo beans with olive oil, some seasonings, and put them in the oven for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Throw everything together in a bowl, and it's so yummy and filling. We have done it. We have assembled the Buddha bowl. I happen to have some extra avocado, hummus, tzatziki. Buried deep within is the couscous, and I also have more for tomorrow. So I love doing this because it's totally like a meal prep move. I'm gonna eat this and then get on with the rest of my day. What's up, guys? It's officially dinner time. I am so hungry, and this is my most exciting meal of today. This video is sponsored by Green Chef. I'm so excited to be working with them. Green Chef is a certified USDA organic company. They offer dishes for a variety of lifestyles, including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and keto. When I got my first apartment back in Eugene, I had no idea how to cook, and I ordered these meal kits because it's so great. They literally teach you how to cook step by step. The instructions are super easy to follow. This week I got the balanced living box. They have a bunch of different options to suit your needs, and you can also switch between boxes, which makes it really easy. I love that you can also skip weeks in case you're like, this just isn't gonna work for my week. I feel like dinner is always the meal that I'm most hungry for, and it's the meal that's hardest to get inspired about. Like, I end up just cooking my same 5 dinners. This is amazing because I can actually try something new. I made this dish last night with my mom. It is the chicken and butternut squash hash, and she was so impressed with my skills. Today we are making the Mediterranean turkey patties. I have everything I need in this nice little bag. It's so convenient. It's all pre-portioned for me, which I absolutely love. This just looks amazing. It's like a Mediterranean dish, which is very exciting because I love Mediterranean inspired food. You guys know I love HelloFresh. I used to get their boxes all the time, and Green Chef is actually owned by HelloFresh now. So both are amazing options if you guys are looking for different ways to get inspired. We are gonna whip this dinner up, and then I'm gonna watch some house because I am on quite the house binge right now. All right, we're gonna cook this up. Let's do this.
The walls were white, the flame was red, but her eyes weren't blue. So instead, I was thinking of you.
We are pretty much done with this dinner. I have the sauce all ready to go. It's on low heat. Brussels sprouts are done. They look absolutely amazing. I don't like cooking for one person. I like to eat meals like this, but I hate going to the grocery store and having to spend money on like all these different ingredients if it's just for me. So this is why this is perfect, because I already have my little meal all ready to go for tomorrow, so that dinner is ready and I don't have to waste any food. If you guys want to try out Green Chef for yourself, go to greenchef.us/90kiara and use code 90kiara for $90 off, including free shipping on your first box. It's an amazing deal. I'm gonna leave all the information down below. Let's plate this up. Bon appetit.
Small, just trying to find a place to stay.
Let's try our beautiful dish. I already tried the sauce, and the sauce is really good. It's really good. Wow. I haven't had good Brussels sprouts in such a long time, and I honestly forgot how much I enjoy them with the almonds and the feta. I'm gonna finish my house episode. I'm on season 7, episode 1. This is the start of when it gets really good. If you've seen the show, you know what I'm talking about. To end tonight's video, I'm eating the last thing of the day. This is Ben & Jerry's Netflix and chilled peanut butter ice cream with sweet and salty pretzel swirls and fudge brownies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out Green Chef down below. I love you guys so crazy much. If you want more videos like this, maybe I could do like a week of breakfasts, a week of dinners, a week of lunches. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is the best thing that you ate today? Bye.
Only worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying.